This built-in electric oven from Neff is perfect if you're looking for a stylish model with innovative features for exceptional cooking. With a large 71-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunction oven with great functions, including a defrost and grill setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. The innovative disappearing slide-and-hide door is stylish, safe, and lets you have total control over your meals. Once the oven door is fully opened, it will slide smoothly beneath the oven cavity. This makes it easier to remove heavy or large items, and there's less chance of drops or spills. So, it helps to keep you safe in your kitchen, is a stunning showpiece, and gives you full access to your meals for incredibly flexible cooking. Neff's incredible CircoTherm system lets you cook 3 different meal types simultaneously, and it retains heat even if you open the door. The powerful fan on the back wall draws in hot air, where it's heated up and forced back into the cavity via specially placed ducts. The constant circulation of hot air means meals are cooked evenly and flavours and smells won't intermingle between dishes. And because of the forced air travelling in different directions, even when you're checking on your meals, little heat is lost. If you're looking for an oven with innovative features for exceptional cooking, this built-in electric model from Neff is the one for you.